you trying to sell your iPhone recently, or you want to get rid of your old phone and you want to give it to somebody like free or donation? Anything is fine. So do you know how to reset your... Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your iPhone to completely factory reset, so that you can give it to somebody, or you can trade in, or you can sell your iPhone very easily, and none of your data will be transferred. Everything will be erased and it will be like default state of your iPhone, as when you buy the new iPhone. There is nothing like that. So this is called factory reset. So let's see how we can do this thing. So to reset your iPhone, at first go to settings. So I'm going to tap on settings, and the settings related information will be there. Now here we have to scroll down a little bit, and here we'll find general section is there. We just need to go there and the general section will be open. Here you'll find many options are there. We have to go down at the bottom, and there is shutdown at the last, and just before there, transfer or reset iPhone. So to do a factory reset, we just need to tap it over there, and then it will be looking like that. Reset, erase all content and settings. So we are planning to give this phone to somebody, or we want to sell our phone, right? So basically all our data needs to be clean, right? So for that case, we just need to tap on the erase all content and settings, that option. So I'm going to tap it over there, and it will bring like this type of option, like erase this iPhone, and there are a couple of things are there, and we just need to tap the continue button to continue the next step. So I'm going to tap the continue button, and here it is asking erase iPhone or cancel. I'm going to erase all the data, right? So we have to choose erase iPhone, and once you tap it, it will look like this. It is asking the passcode, so I'm going to type the iPhone passcode of my phone, and it is asking the Apple password also. So I'm going to type my Apple password also for this case, I mean for my iPhone. So once I type the passcode, then we have to tap on the top right corner. There is turn off that option. We just need to tap it over there, and then very shortly, if the password is correct, then the iPhone will restarted, and you will see that this type of screen, a Apple logo with a progress bar. You just need to wait till it finished loading, and once everything is done, then you will see the hello screen of your iPhone. And that's it, guys. In this way, you can easily reset our iPhone to factory reset. Hopefully by watching this video, you are able to do this thing. If you have any question, or if you face any problem, just put in the comment section. Thanks again for watching the video.